Hello everybody, how are you doing today? Let's get started on actual development for our online shopping website. I'll be discussing little slowly. If you want, you can always increase the speed and listen faster. Okay, so when we want to create our website, last time I said that it will be simple website, and I will be using Django Python for the website. So let's first create our project. So at any location, create one folder with appropriate name for your website. So I have given the name as online shopping, and start your command prompt there. So this is my command prompt, and now we will first create the project. So the command is Django admin start project and name of our project, which is online shopping, and enter. So it has created a folder with the name online shopping, and if you go inside, you will see some files it already added. Python files are added, and then there is a manage.py, and then there is setting.py. For now, the only important files I would say is settings.py, urls.py, and then manage.py. We will go through it slowly and as and when required. But the good news is our project is already ready. So let's run our empty project. There is no code, no HTMLs or no Python code added yet, but we still can run our project. All we have to do is run. So I launch my browser, and to run the project, what we need to do is we need to be in a folder where our manage.py is. So I copy it here, do cd, change directory to the folder. Yeah, I'm in I got manage.py in my current directory, and now the command to run the project is python manage.py run server. So we are running server to run our website, and this gives me the URL where the website is. So I copy paste it, but okay, let's run it first. So this is the website, it's already running. You will see by default Django Page. Until unless we add our own HTMLs and code, it will show Django Page, and this is our default URL. Okay, great. Congratulations, our basic website is ready, and the server is running. Now let me talk about why Django and why Python. The basic reason I choose Django for website development is because I can work on Python as a backend, and HTML, CSS, Bootstrap you can use for the front end, as well as you can use JavaScript wherever required. But the Python has the great capacity. It has millions of modules available, and you can do literally anything. I can work on any topic I want. I have future plans to work on the machine learning and the AI based algorithms which are available and easily compatible with the Python, and that's the reason I choose the Django framework to make our websites, because I can work in Python in the background for the backend. Django framework uses MVT, that is model, view and template where a model MVT, where model is the database, your tables in the database. We will shortly see what the model is. V is for view, where you can define your URL as well as you can define your function, classes, code to work upon. And then the T is for template. Template means where you can add your own CSS and HTMLs for interacting with the customer as a part of the website. You can add your own forms in it. So basically we will work on the MVT framework using all these three model, view, templates for our website. Now let's get back to our website. Now when I'm going to define or create the online shopping website, I cannot directly run and start working or coding. You know, I should, or as a good practice or as a good programmer, we should do all our work first on the paper. So I have created a small one slide in PowerPoint where I have tried to define the model for the online shopping website. You can see there are various color boxes. These are all models that I will be defining. I will be using the model buyer, seller, product, cart, profile, seller desk, and order. It will create tables in our database. By the way, Django uses SQLite 3DB as our default database, and for now we can use it, and if we want we can connect to later on to any other database, but for now I'm going with default database. So if you see the model, and the model has its own attributes which are defining. For example, the buyer has attributes like buyer ID, name, cell phone number, wish list, favorites, cart ID, profile ID. Where there is a ID, it's got its own model. For example, the cart, we will define these IDs as unique IDs, and it will help us to create the relational database. For example, when we define a buyer, we can go to the buyer's profile by using this ID, or buyer's cart by using the cart ID, or if we want to see what are the product or what is the order list for within the cart, we can go to order ID list. So now the model may look little difficult, but as we will go ahead in the project, you will find it much easier and easy to understand. So I will stop today for now, and in the next video we will start working actually on the model, as well as we will create some basic HTML pages and basic structure of our website. So until then, see you next time guys, and thanks a lot for your time. Bye.